Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting the cells you want to change. Click a single cell or drag to select a range. Once selected, look at the formula bar to confirm values are numeric, not text. Trimmed spaces break formatting. Then open the number group on the Home tab or press Ctrl+1 to open Format Cells immediately. This moves you from selection to the dialog where you control type, decimal places, and display options. Doing this first saves time later. Now choose the right category. Pick number for plain decimals, currency or accounting for money, percentage for ratios, or custom for precise control. Once chosen, set decimal places and enable 1000 separators if needed. For currency, select your symbol and negative number display. If built-ins don't fit, use custom and type a format code like ###0, 00 or 000%. The preview updates live so you can see the effect. Make edits until the sample matches your intended display. Click OK to apply the new number format and verify results by checking cell alignment and recalculated formulas. Numbers align right by default, text aligns left. If formatting didn't stick, convert cells stored as text using text to columns, paste special multiply, or the value function. Make sure there are no hidden characters. Finally, inspect conditional formatting rules and cell styles because they can override number formats. Adjust or clear those rules if they conflict with your desired display.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.